I made when I kill a paper pad. So I did kill this one, the Fall Sunshine Not Too Shabby Shop paper pad. I used ephemera that matches, as well as the stamp sets, 2 of them. I used the Hello Bears, which is right here, and the sunflower one, which I forget the name of. So let's do a quick, just a quick run through of all the things that I made using this paper pad. I'll start with the stamps, or I'm sorry, the cards. So I made this card right here, and I did a video on these as well. But here is the wrap up of everything that I made. And just am loving what was made. So, and then I did make this album. So I did do a video on this album, which I think came out really cute. I used a tutorial from Polly's Papers, part of her 12 Days of Christmas. And I just kind of slightly adapted it a little bit because I think she was using larger paper. This was just using the 6x6 paper pad. And there we go. So here is the wrap up. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Crying with the Heart.